Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Tae Kim Japanese Grammar Guide. In this lesson, we will learn one of the most important foundations of Japanese grammar. This concept is called the state of being. In English, we often use the verb to be. For example, I am a student. But Japanese works a little differently. Instead of using a verb like am or is, Japanese expresses this idea using something called state of being. In polite Japanese, this is expressed with the word desu. This word appears at the end of a sentence. The basic pattern looks like this. X は Y です。You can understand this structure as for X, it is Y. For example, 私は学生です。This means I am a student. Now let's listen to a short natural conversation. Two people are meeting for the first time at a language school.
こんにちは。はじめまして。Hello, nice to meet you. 私はケンです。I'm Ken.
こんにちは。はじめまして。Hello, nice to meet you. 私はユータです。I'm Yuta.
ユータさんは学生ですか？ Are you a student, ユータ？
はい、学生です。Yes, I'm a student. ケンさんも学生ですか？ Are you also a student, Ken?
はい、私も学生です。Yes, I'm also a student. ユータさんは日本人ですか？ Are you Japanese, ユータ？
はい、日本人です。ケンさんは？ Yes, I'm Japanese. What about you?
いいえ、日本人じゃないです。No, I'm not Japanese.
Alright, let's talk about what you just heard. In this lesson, we weren't really learning a verb. We were learning how Japanese describes what something is. In English, we rely a lot on the verb to be. Things like, I am a student, he is a teacher. But in Japanese, it's actually much simpler than that. Instead of changing a verb, you just say the information and finish the sentence with desu. That's it. So when you hear 私は学生です, it's almost like saying, as for me, student. It might sound incomplete in English, but in Japanese, this is perfectly natural. Now, let's look back at the conversation. At the beginning, both speakers say, こんにちは、はじめまして. This is how people naturally greet each other when meeting for the first time. Then, Ken says, 私はケンです. Here, he's introducing himself. He gives the information, Ken, and finishes it with desu. So again, no verb like am, just identity. Then he asks, ユータさんは学生ですか? Notice how we turn a statement into a question just by adding か. No word order change, no extra verb, just one small addition at the end. Yuta answers, はい、学生です. He doesn't repeat everything. He doesn't say, 私は学生です. Because in Japanese, if it's clear, you can leave things out. Then, Yuta asks back, ケンさんも学生ですか? That small word, も means also. So now the meaning becomes, are you also a student? And finally, we get to nationality. Ken asks, ユータさんは日本人ですか? And Yuta answers, はい、日本人です. Again, simple structure. But then Ken says, 日本人じゃないです. This is the negative form. Instead of saying what something is, he's saying what it is not. And that's all it takes. So in just this short conversation, you've already seen how to introduce yourself, how to ask a question, how to say also, and how to make a negative sentence. And all of that comes from just a few simple patterns. That's the power of learning Japanese this way.
Alright, before we finish, I'm going to show you the vocabulary from this lesson. These are the core words we used in today's conversation. And from this point on, every lesson will build on this vocabulary. You'll keep seeing the same words again and again, but each time you'll understand a little more. That's how we're going to learn Japanese in this series, step by step, not by memorizing random phrases, but by actually understanding how the language works. So take a moment to review the vocabulary carefully, because everything we learn next will build on top of it. Thank you for watching, and please, remember, understand Japanese, don't memorize it. See you in the next lesson!